Okay, Scientist OG, what have we got today?
We got a magnet,
Yeah.
a screw, a wire, and a battery.
And what are we going to do? How are we setting it up?
We attached the wire to the battery with some tape.
Yeah.
And we put the screw on the battery and replaced the battery onto the screw at the bottom.
How is the screw sticking to the battery?
Because the magnet...
Right, cool. We've got magnets. Okay, so what are we going to do next? We're going to...
replace the screw onto the magnet and push the center down.
Go on then. And what's happening?
It's spinning. It's spinning uncontrollably.
Okay, so take the wire off from there. Let's see.
Still spinning.
It'll slow down though, won't it?
Yeah.
Slowing down gradually.
But you'll have a little...
And as soon as you touch the wire, I think you need to push it down on the top as well. That's it. Okay, and why does that work?
Because the magnet...
Okay, stop that now, baby, and tell me how it
Because the magnetic force...
Yeah.
And the electric current, when they crash, they want to turn around.
They want to move, yeah. And can you show me how you can tell which direction they're going to move? What do you use?
The left-hand rule.
That's very good. And your first finger is the...
North Pole? No.
Yeah, well, yes, right. It's the point in the direction of the North Pole, so it's the magnetic...
Current.
Magnetic
field.
Yeah. Your second finger is the
current.
Yeah. And your thumb is the movement.
Right. My bad. Sorry, me forgetting stuff like I always do.
It's okay.
And let's have a look if we put the magnet to the side of it without touching it or the middle.
It'll work, but it'll fall off. How can you get the screw to spin the other way?
By taking the magnet off and replacing it with this red dot.
The other way around?
Yes. So stick it on again, like we usually do. Builder. And
we're to push it down at the top. And away we go. Right, and you got to push it right in the middle. That's it. And there it goes. There's one other way of making the screw spin in the other direction. Do you know what that is, or can you work out what it is? How would you make the current move in a different direction instead of the magnetic field? What would you change?
I would change the part of the magnet.
Yeah, turning the magnet around changes the magnetic field. How could you change the electric current? What could you switch around? What would you do?
I would just change the wire that way around and stick it on there.
Exactly, good boy.
Well, let's see if we can do it that way, shall we?
Yeah, let's pause and let's have a look.